everyone. Today we are going to see mint harvest. I'm gonna read you some of the health benefits of mint from Google before we start harvesting. So there are 8 powerful effects of mint. The first one treats all of your stomach woes, boosts your immune system, gives you acne-free skin, beats morning sickness and nausea, helps you with allergies and asthma, a great remedy for the common cold, takes care of your oral health, and helps you manage stress. Let's go harvest mint. So look how much mint that we have got in my garden. There is one truth that I want to share about the mint plants that I have here. These are voluntary plants that came basically from my neighbor, and I'm harvesting it for free without a lot of maintenance or without having to do a lot of fertilizing or any other work basically. So I usually cut all the mints that grow on the sides, but then I ask the lawnmower to leave just this part so I can harvest and use it for cooking. So you can actually use mint in most of your cooking, especially in the Indian cooking. I use it to grind biryani masala, and then we even do mint chutneys, and then we can also make juice out of mint. So there are a lot of ways that you can make use of mint in your daily cooking. So let's harvest all the mint that we have here, and we can also donate some to our friends and neighbors. See how easy is it to harvest. I'm basically gonna do mint chutney for dinner. This we can use it as a side for dosa, idli, or steamed rice. You name it, it will be yummy. Okay. Oh my God, it's a lot of meat. Let me make it quick. Wow, that's really a lot. All of this can grow back in a week or two to the same height and to the same dense. Let's quickly finish this, and then I'm gonna show you something else in my garden after we finish mint harvest. Leave some of the mint that I think is affected by the bugs. Wow, see how fresh these mint are. If anyone wants mint cutting, just let me know, okay? I can definitely share a lot of mint cuttings with whoever needs it. Okay, we are almost done, and I'm gonna stop with this one. Great. So we have the mint harvest already done. Look how much mint we have got. So I also have a couple of tomatoes, or just few tomatoes in my garden. This is my first yield for the summer. I don't have a lot of veggies yielding at this time because of the storm, winter storm that we had this time. Look, there are two doves. It's basically baby dove. The baby dove's mom is actually living in our patio. She built a nest there and then hatched the egg, and these two are the baby birds. Nice. I was in fact looked at the nest today and then I didn't see the birds. I was wondering where it went, and now I see where. Okay. These are cherry tomatoes, or you can call it early bird. I think I have the name in here. This is called sun sugar yellow cherry tomato. So that's the name of this plant, and I'm gonna carefully harvest. Some in here, and we can even harvest these, so we can save these from birds and insects. Look, this one is I think it's eaten by bird and bug. Oh God. Okay. We also have another variety of tomato out there, and I'm gonna show you the tomato and also the name of the tomato as well. Oops. Oh, the birds, baby birds got scared. Okay, I'm gonna leave the birds alone and then quickly harvest. So look how big these tomatoes are and how ripe. Wow, it's even falling down when I try to harvest. I try to touch. Let me carefully harvest this. In fact, we can even harvest the other tomatoes that are a little bigger and leave it in the countertop so it can ripe on its own. So I have a couple more in here. I'm gonna harvest those as well and show you. Look how big these tomatoes are. I harvested this as well, so the plant don't have to spend a lot of energy and help with ripening. I'm gonna tell you the name of the tomato. It's early girl tomato. So that's the name. And then we also have some in here. Maybe I can harvest, or maybe I can leave. Look at here. See how beautiful? Even the shape looks so different on these tomatoes. See? Look. It's very nice. Okay, I'm gonna leave all the other tomatoes. See, there are a few in here, and look, there is a lot in here. Oh my God, look how much in here. See here? That's really big. We can do another harvest soon. So I'm gonna keep it right there and then pick some fruits. I'll show you which one. Come on. Here. And then let's go. So I have a couple of blueberry plants in here, and then a few ripe blueberries. See here, fell down. See here, some in here. I'm gonna pick all of those. It has like a lot of health benefits as well. Let me come here and see if we have anything in the other plant. I don't have a lot, but then I see a few in this plant as well. Okay, there are a lot of baby ones, blueberries. Okay. I also have a raspberry plant in here, and I'm gonna show you. I think I have only very few of them. Let's go and see. I see there are a few raspberries in here. It's very ripe, and then there is some in here. I already harvested few last week. I'm gonna, it come right off. Look how it looks, and then it's easy to even pick. Look, see how easy to pick. It came off. See. I think I picked all of those. Yep. I think that's all for today. We have some peaches in here, but then those are not ready yet. Let's go. I'm gonna show you all the harvest for today and conclude our video. Some blueberries and some raspberries and some big and small tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. These are actually very sweet. I have tried this before. Very sweet, and a lot of mint. Thank you for watching.